of all, on the tripod. Yes, shoot on the tripod. On no circumstances should you move this tripod.
Many things can be overlooked in Nigeria, but there is one phrase that can never be overlooked. Weather for two. To me, it's just the biggest misconceptions Nigerians have turned into a national tradition. The moment the rain starts falling, the weather gets cold, suddenly everybody remembers weather for two. It gets even better when NEPA decides to take the lights, as if they signed the contract with the rain. At that point, social media goes into overdrive. The hashtag starts lying, the memes flood your timeline. People post about it online, and many will practice it offline. And if you listen closely, yeah, I happen to be a victim. People say the best way to stay warm during the cold weather is to find your person, but I respectfully disagree. Because back in the 80s and 90s, there was something people relied on, and I believe has been seriously underrated and underestimated. A simple liquid with an almost legendary reputation for chasing away cold: alcohol. So here's my humble recommendation. The weather doesn't always have to be for two. Sometimes, let the single breathe.